going to do this track. And I say it here as the general manager of Samori Joseph that you will have the right to use this track anywhere. And should any copyright issue come out of it, say that Osamori gave you the right to use this music anywhere, anyhow. This is the only way we want to pay you back. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my singular honor. Ambassador Osayomore Joseph. Are you clapping? Please clap. Clap. This man has earned his dues. Clap. This man physically has earned his dues across the globe. I am a witness. Ambassador Osayomore Joseph.
She. Hello. Hello, she.
Let me start by saying that I'm highly favored. God actually gave me all it takes to play music across the world. Apart from China and Russia, I've played virtually everywhere in the whole world. Even on my sick bed, I was removed from my sick bed to Canada recently. That was the last I've just traveled. Otherwise, by now. And I hardly move with my voice. I appreciate God for doing that for me, that a whole band will move with me to anywhere in the world. It's not easy. Like I said, I'm highly favored. I am the most widely traveled musician in West Africa sub-region.
Hello.
I have never bought a ticket for myself throughout this time. I always stay at home and tickets are here with the boys. And let me be grateful to loyal boys who travel. This is one of my simple songs, and it's advisory. We'll tell everybody that make hay while the sun shines. Very simple song and advisable. Is to educate all coming ones that as he is doing now, age is on his side. Me, as I am here now, age is not on my side. But I've done a lot from the music industry. So again, our running ayakia, we know Waruna, Iyaromo, who was a girl to a boy on who was a pair. I am no sunu. Memayo walk pania, Akbonza Quentin. So we know they are here, or Tankase do. Baby.
May I put another part, Jonah?
Thank you very much. Okay, get up. For a bow. We got to go now. Yes.